Hello everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to buy gold on Marble Snap. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, click on the gold icon in the top section of your screen. On this page, you can see certain amount of gold with certain amount of money. Now all you have to do is select how many gold you want to buy. Let's say I want to buy 300 gold, then I'll have to tap on 300 option. Then a pop-up menu will appear where you'll have to click on Add Credit or Debit Card option. Then all you have to do is enter your card details and enter the amount of money you'll have to pay. After that, you'll have to check out and your account will be added with 300 gold. So that is how you can buy gold on Marble Snap. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.